Welcome to Team WACR Garage. This is another episode of the El Camino revival. Since last time, we've ordered some parts. What did we get?
Well, we got a for display only Edelbrock intake manifold that we had to have a good friend at Force Performance, Steve, plug weld the backside of because it was mounted to a table at one point. We've acquired some form of starter that appears to be the same as the original one. We've acquired the world's biggest distributor, which is this Chinesian piece of
bigger than my
HEI
head.
madness. Don't?
That was a big motherfucker.
That is huge.
It's real big. It's
The
ridiculous.
points distributor is like half the size, if that. We got our set of maybe genuine Excel
Maybe they're
wires,
Excel, maybe they're
not.
knockoffs. They're good knockoffs if they are.
Yeah. They also might be used because there's a couple weird burn marks on this.
Oh, perfect. And we got a gasket set.
We did get a gasket set because
Yeah.
we really need to reseal a lot of shit on this motor. So.
Yeah. Make it less leaky, make it look pretty.
We still need a 4-barrel of some sort to get this cooking. Apart from that, we're just going to put this turd together and
See if we can make it
see if
run.
we can get it popping on the ground.
Yeah. Was it just laying in there?
Yeah.
What is that? A little
Is it
sludgy
supposed to
in
be
here.
like, I don't know, man. It's supposed to be a fucking PCV valve or something.
I don't know, man. That's a great V8 mystery. So this motor is really gross.
Well, it's a lot cleaner now.
It's better now. We cleaned out the valley. It was just like chock full of gunk. But we're looking at the outside now, and while the block is not as important, you can see on the outside here if it'll adjust, it won't adjust. That's just a thick layer of gunk on here. It's really, really gross. It's like 5 minutes of scraping to get to that orange. There's a little bit of it there, but it's caked on. Extra gross.
That was caked as fucking oil and coolant crystallized mixture that was all up in there.
Yeah, no, there's worse, but not great. So we got the manifold on. We're going to attempt to stab the distributor. We think we might have an idea how it goes. Oh. There's a few things we have to do first. It's late. We're tired. We haven't failed.
We failed. We also found probably why this was parked.
Yeah, I found a
Thanks
nice
to
little...
Ryan, actually, who noticed that one. We
Yeah.
got a bent push rod that absolutely does not move.
Totally dead cylinder. It's okay. Now we know.
Our starter works.
Yeah, starter works after a little bit of...
Had some oil pressure after cranking it for a few seconds. Which
Yeah.
was good.
Yep. We got the distributor on. We did have spark.
We need to lock lock tab for the
Yeah.
distributor. We need to make one.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're going to clean up, reevaluate our position, and hopefully come back in a few days and make this thing run on stand.
So we gotta get a new battery up here so we can tinker around with it.
We did clean up the engine a little bit.
It doesn't look half bad with this intake manifold on.
Yeah, it looks like it
A
might
little
have
better.
some performance, even though it doesn't.
Yeah, no.
No,
Not happening.
none performance.
Yeah, but distributor works-ish. We gotta fix these plug wires because they have the wrong termination on the distributor side. So, yeah.
Yep, it's late.
Yeah, tired. We gotta clean up this ginormous fucking mess we made.
God
Just
bless
absolutely
it.
Filthy. It's all over our shoes, all over our clothes. This motor just was a coagulation pit, so we had to dump it all, and it ended up on the floor.
A little bit ended up on the floor.
Yeah,
Sorry, floor.
sorry for it. We'll try and clean you.
We'll see. So I couldn't leave the last video where it was. We were kind of bummed out that it wasn't working at all. But decided to come back, cleaned up a little bit, got a better battery on there. I actually have a full charge 13 volts. So I'm gonna try something just for giggles. Let's see what happens. I want to hear this thing make some noise. Fire. Fire. Keep cranking. That's how you get rid of those. More fire. Okay. Hey, I think we're gonna call that good. All right.
We just
Finger
got
eating
here
and
already
everything.
bleeding.
He's already bleeding. Well, you can ruin my intro. I was gonna say welcome to Team WACR Garage, but now it's welcome to Bloodland.